Hello, welcome to the 5th episode of Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial we are gonna talk about message broadcasting and Changen backdrops. Message broadcasting is a very important and nice concept that helps objects to communicate each other and pass the state around. If you need to start from the beginning, go to video description and start from the first episode. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and share if you want to receive next videos. This time I need to select owner for the cat. Let's go to sprites section and select Abby. Then we can position them on the floor. First I will change cat's direction towards Abby, and now you know how to flip the cat horizontally as we did in a previous video. In event section you have few options related to message broadcasting, like broadcast message and when I receive message. I will select Abby and drag message broadcasting block. Then you can click on the drop down and create a new message. You can enter any name for message and make sure to put a descriptive name, since we are gonna use it later. This message name we can use to communicate with other sprites and keep a state for the program, which is really helpful in developing games. What I really need to do is, cat should walk towards Abby when she calls come here, and we are gonna use message broadcasting for that. Let's use glid block to move cat towards Abby. Move cat to the position we need him to reach and select the glid block from motion section. Click and see cat is moving. Select the sprite Abby and set the start block. It is nice in the program to show Abby is calling come here. Let's go to the look section and drag, say hello block and change the text to come here. Select cat and drag when I receive the message block. Then click on the drop down and select the message we entered before. This way you can select any message you created before. Now, I need cat to receive this message and walk toward. Now use a wait block with 1 second and set X to block from motions to move cat to his previous position after reach to Abby. Click and see cat's behavior. Now wrap the code with a forever block to make it running. Drag a wait block and set it to 3 seconds. That let cat to have enough time to move back to his current position. Then drag say hello in seconds block to replace the current one we have, and you can adjust the time to 1 second. After that, click on the start flag and see cat is walking towards Abby each time she calls come here. Enjoy. Now, let's talk about how to change backdrops. Click on backdrop icon and select few backdrops. I will select a desert, a jungle and a room. Then go to the costume section and click on the blank backdrop to start. First up all, let's try to make cat run. Drag a forever block and drag next costume block from looks section. Put next costume block into forever and add a wait block at the end with 0.3 seconds and add a start flag. Click and see cat is running. Now it is time to change the backdrops. We'll take say hello in seconds block and change the message to I am running in desert and drag switch backdrop to block next. There you can change the backdrop name. We need to duplicate these two blocks 3 times. Add a wait block with 1 second after each change backdrop block to make it visible for some time. Change backdrop block to other backdrop names that we selected before. Now you can see backdrops are changing in each second while cat is running. Aha! I guess the order should be changed. Let's fix it. There are few other ways to change the backdrop. One is message broadcasting. We will talk about other options when we build games and other fun stuff. So, please like and subscribe this channel if you still didn't, and if you feel helpful, and share it with your friends. In next videos, let's try to make a game or interactive video in Scratch. Let's do coding, easy way, fun way, with games and other nice stuff. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.